Prepare right now, XRP Ripple investors. We have a lot to talk about in regards to the FOMC meeting. With that said, hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Before we get into this, we're going to be talking about the FOMC meeting, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction. Let's start off with the big meeting. What do we know? Well, Jerome Powell and the Feds decided to pause interest rates. It's not a surprise. Now, the question is, will we see another rate hike? This is very concerning because if we take a look right here, 12 Fed officials see one more rate hike, while 7 Fed officials see no more rate hikes. So it looks like there's a 50% and higher chance of seeing another rate hike in 2023. This is obviously going to be bad for the US economy. It is definitely going to send us into a recession, even though they did tell us yesterday, don't worry guys, it's going to be a soft landing. You know, we're not going to expect a recession. Also, taking a look right here, the Fed see inflation at 2.6% in 2024. Very interesting. Now, taking a look right here, some more information that we got. The Fed futures now no longer show rate cuts beginning until September 2024. So it looks like we're going to see interest rates still very high for quite a while. This is not going to be a soft landing. This is definitely going to be a hard landing that we need to prepare for. With that being said, let's take a look at what else it has to say right here. To put this into perspective, 3 months ago, futures were expecting 4 rate cuts in 2023. We are definitely not going to see any this year. Now interest rates are expected to pause for at least 1 year. The Fed has made it clear higher for longer is here to stay. They would rather send us into a recession than risk inflation spiking again. Higher interest rates are the new normal, and this is why I told you guys we should expect high interest rates for quite a while. Overall, guys, the markets did not react well to the news. Let's do a technical analysis now for XRP Ripple. What do we see here? Well, yesterday the daily candle did go as high as 52 cents. The current price of XRP is sitting around 50 cents. If we take a look at the MACD indicator on the weekly, it is telling us to sell. But for the daily, what do we see here? We see a buy. Volume just went down, which is very concerning. Next couple days, we're going to see what's going to happen with XRP. Right now, we are forming this red candle. Very concerning because if we continue down and we retest this, there's a chance we may break the trend to the downside. If we do, well, we should expect a 30-cent XRP. This is why I'm trying to warn you guys. If we take a look also at the Bitcoin price, well, guys, we got faked out because yesterday the BTC price was above 27,000. It was around 27,200. Now it's currently sitting around $26,493. The MACD indicator on the weekly is telling us to sell, but on the daily it is telling us to buy. As you guys can see, volume is heading down right here. Yes, we are now below 27,000. If we take a look at the Fibonacci, what do we see right here? We got totally flaked out. We are below the 0.786 Fibonacci and the 0.618 golden Fibonacci, which is confirming a fake out. This is a dead cat bounce. We need to prepare right now because the next couple days we're going to see what is next for Bitcoin, because it looks like Bitcoin is coming back down to 25,000 to retest. If this does happen, well, that means XRP is definitely coming back down to this ascending line to retest the 44 to 45 cent price level. Okay, with that being said, please pay attention, crypto investors, at 24,758, because if BTC breaks below this, well, we're going to be super bearish on the Bitcoin price, meaning there's a possibility that we come all the way down to $20,000, which as a crypto investor, long-term crypto investor, this is exciting because I am definitely going to put a lot of money once, or if Bitcoin decides to break down to 21,000. That's my opinion. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. But overall, yes, even though we did get no interest rates, hike, we got a pause. What we found out from the meeting is not good for the US economy. We're definitely going to have a hard landing, which means what? The crypto market and the stock market, they're going to experience a roller coaster. Taking a look right here at the two biggest indicators, the DXY, what do we see right here? We see the DXY continuing to higher prices. This is not good, guys. As for the S&P 500, look at this big correction. Warning to all crypto investors. These are bad indicators telling us what? We are going to see a great shakeout. Maybe. It depends if we continue to see the S&P 500s continue to the downside and we continue to see the DXY to the upside. With that being said, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. If you made it this far, comment the number 125. Peace.